212 Carolina Herrera is very special for me. It was my first project 25 years ago, and I enjoyed it so much that here I am, still working in the magic world of fragrances. Our first 212 fragrance conveys the idea that everything is possible in New York. I was inspired by the mix of fashion, the parties, the art, interesting people, and wild plans in both uptown and downtown Manhattan. The design itself was very innovative because it is made of 2 bottles that allow you to always carry one with you. It's based on white flowers, mainly jasmine, which makes it very Carolina Herrera. Bergamot adds that young and energetic New York vibe. It was a big success and still remains one of our best-selling fragrances today. In 212 VIP Men, we wanted to create a fragrance that reminded me of a great cocktail at an unforgettable party. This scent is classic with woody notes, which are typically masculine, but with a very audacious touch of vodka. Very innovative at the time. I once overheard that perfumes are like champagne, but without the hangover. With 212 VIP Rosé, I wanted to evoke a fun night out with my friends. The fragrance is very feminine, with spices and floral notes. Perfect to have a great time, without the hangover.